Let's have a look at this 7-inch touch key indoor monitor. I will give a brief introduction to these 5 keys. When there is a call from outdoor station, you can press the call key to answer, or press the unlock key to open the door. The call will be end when you press the call key again. The second key is middle or left switch key. Next, you can monitor the outdoor station by pressing the monitor key, and you can switch the outdoor station when press this key again. There is the intercom interface by pressing the call key. You can select the monitor from number 1 to 200. When you press this one, it increases the number. This one is to decrease the number. Let's have a try. Firstly, let's set it as number 2 and press OK to make a call to this monitor. The call will be end when you press the call key again. When there is a guard unit whose address is 200, you can press the last key to make a call to the guard unit directory.